password screen will appear. Enter your network password. Passwords are case sensitive. Enter the password a second time for verification. If both passwords match, then the Save button will appear in the upper right corner of the setup screen. If the passwords do not match, the verification password will be erased so you can try again. Once your passwords match, tap on the Save button. At this point, you have saved your password, but the network selection is not final yet. If necessary, you can edit network details by tapping on the small blue circle on the right-hand side of the network row. This is the Detail Disclosure button here. This takes us to the network details screen. Normally, RedEye will pick up its IP address from your router using DHCP. However, you can also assign a static IP if you prefer. To do so, tap on the Static button at the top of the screen and then enter the IP address information in the text areas below. When you're finished, tap on the back arrow to return to the network screen. At this point, we are ready to finalize our network settings. Tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the setup screen to do so. The application will remind you that once you change the network settings on your RedEye, you will need to change your iOS network settings as well. Go ahead and click on the Proceed button to make the change. At this point, your RedEye unit will drop off the RedEye network. When it does, the app will push you back to the main setup screen as shown here. Now is a good time to switch your iOS device over to your main Wi-Fi network. Exit back to the home screen and open the Settings application. From there, tap on the Wi-Fi row and choose your network. Now exit the Settings application and relaunch the RedEye app. Within a minute, you should see your RedEye unit appear on the rooms list, right alongside other RedEye hardware if you have any on your network. So here's our new room as it came up. At this point, I want to back up a bit and show you how to connect to a hidden Wi-Fi network. The general process is the same as with other Wi-Fi networks, but the difference being that the network scan will not find your network. Let's roll back to the step where we selected the Wi-Fi network row from the RedEye setup screen. This time, rather than selecting one of the network rows, we can click on the Other row at the bottom. This is the Other network screen. Enter the network name in the space provided. Just as with passwords, network names are case sensitive. If your network uses security, tap on the Security row to select the security type. Tap on the appropriate security row to select, and then tap Save.